But if you want guidelines, those are the guidelines I always use. So when I first started trading, it was funny. I would have my equity curve, right? So I'd have my equity curve, and obviously this is the chart, and my equity curve, it looked something like oh no, wrong tool. It looked something like this, right? And what I would do is, for visual references, I would put a line of what 2% looked like, and then what 5% looked like, to kind of see where I was at, and that was very helpful for me. It was beneficial to just make sure like I was keeping myself on track. So like as long as I stayed above this 2% line, I was like, okay, Keel, you just came out of a drawdown, but you're still having a good year. You're still having a good year. You're still good. And then if I was above the bigger line, which again, I was never 1 year, I was above that line, but I usually wasn't, so I didn't really worry about it. But I suppose I would be like, I don't know how I would be if I were above that line. I usually wasn't. So, but I did use this as a baseline, and this was very helpful mentally, because again, it was like, you go through these drawdown periods, and drawdown periods are both periods of when you're losing, but also periods of when you're kind of stagnant, like you're just going sideways. And during those periods, you know how it goes, right? You get this mental stress of like, I stink, I can't do this, I'll never be good again, I forgot it, I lost my skill, and blah, 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 blah. It was good to have something that like slapped you in the face and said, hey, dummy, you're still ahead of where you want to be in the race.